Hello students, welcome to the live class. Today's session will be of quantitative aptitude class. Now moving to the first question. Two is what percentage of 50? Option are 2%, 2.5%, 4% or 5%. Firstly try yourself and write your answers in the comment section. 2 is what percentage of 50? So in this question we have to find 2 is what percentage of 50. So we will be writing 2 in the numerator and 50 in denominator. Because we have to find 2 is what percentage of 50. So 2 in the numerator and 15 denominator. And as we have to find the percentage, so we will be multiplying by 100. Now this 0 cancels with 0, 5 cancels, 5 to the 10, we get our answer as 4%. So C, 4% will be our answer. Let me repeat once. We have to find 2 is what percentage of 50. In order to find this, we have put 2 in the numerator and 50 in denominator. And as we have to find the answer in percentage, so we have multiplied by 100. Now this cancels. We are left with 2 into 2, 4%. That is C will be our answer. Now next question. If 3/5 of 60% of a number is 36, we have to find the number. Option A 100, option B 80, option C 75, option D 90. Firstly solve this question and write your answer in comment section. We have to find if 3/5 of the 60% of a number is 36, we have to find the number. Now question number 2, if 3/5 of 60% of a number is 36, we have to find the number. Now let us suppose the number is x. The number is x. Now 3/5 means 3 upon 5. Off means multiply. 60% means 60 upon 100. Off means multiply. The number we have supposed is x is equal to 36. Now we have to find x. So we will be shifting. X will be equal to 36 into 5 into 100 upon 3 into 60. Now this cancels, 0 cancels with 0, 6 are 36, 3 2s are 6. We are left with x is equal to 2 into 5 into 10, that is 100. So 100 will be our answer. Option A will be our answer. Let's go through once again. We have to find 3/5 of 60% of a number is 36. We have to find the number. So we have suppose the number is x. So 3/5 3 by 5. Off means multiply. 60% means 60 upon 100. Again off means multiply. The number we have supposed x is equal to 36. Now in order to find x, we have taken this denominator 36 into 5 into upon into 100 and this numerator into denominator 3 into 60. We cancel the term and we solve it. We get our answer as x is equal to 100. So 100A option will be our answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 3. If A's income is 40% less than that of B, how much percent B's income is more than that of A? Option A 60%, B 40%, C 60.66%, D 33.33%. The question says if A's income is 40% less than B, we have to find how much percent B's income is more than A. Option is 60%, 40%, 60.66%, 33.33%. Solve it and write your answer in the comment section. Now if A's income is 40% less than that of B, how much percent B's income is more than A? Now this is very important question. A income is 40 less than B. So let us suppose let B's income is 100, then A's income will be 40% less. That means A's income will be 60. 40% of 100 is 40, so 100 minus 40 is 60. Now we have to find percentage B's income more than that. Now B's income is 100 minus 60, 40 more than that of A, but we have to find the percentage. So we will be keeping 40 in the numerator upon. Now we have to comparison with the A. So we will be keeping denominator by A's income, that is 60 into 100. Now this cancels, we are left with 2 by 3%, or we can calculate this as, we get 200 upon 3. So we can write it like 66 2 by 3 or 66.66%. So our answer will be option C. 60 point, I think so the option should be 66.66. So 66.66 should be our correct answer. Now let me repeat once. Let B's income be 100. So A's income will be 40 less. So 100 is B's income. So A's income will be 60. Now how much is the B's income more than A? B's income more than A is 100 minus 60, that is 40. But we have to find in percentage. So we will be writing 40 in the numerator and 60 in the denominator. 40 upon 16 to 100, that is 66.66%. Now I hope you understood this question. There was a printing mistake. C option is 60.66.66. So this will be our answer. Next question. If the length of a rectangle is decreased by 40% and breadth is decreased by 40, if the length of a rectangle is decreased by 20% and the breadth is decreased by 40%, then what will be the percentage decrease in area of rectangle? Option A 48, option B 52, option C 60, option D 40. I give you some time, please solve it and write your answer in comment section. If the length of rectangle is decreased by 20% and the breadth is decreased by 40%, then what will be the percentage decrease in area of rectangle? Now, if the length of rectangle is decreased by 20% and breadth is decreased by 40%, then what percentage decrease in the area of rectangle? Now we will be doing it by formula x plus y plus xy upon 100. Now if the length is decreased by 20%, so we will be writing x as minus says decrease and minus 20. Y will be, as breadth is decreased by 40%, so we will be writing minus 40. Similarly, here also upon 100. This will be minus 20 minus 40, minus 20 into minus 40 will be plus 800 upon 100. This will be minus 60. This cancels, plus 8 is equal to minus 52. Now this minus shows there is a decrease and this 52 is the correct answer. Now I repeat, if the length is decreased by 20%, so we will suppose length is x is equal to minus 20 and breadth is decreased by 40%, so we will take y as minus 40. By applying this formula x plus y plus xy upon 100, we will be substituting x as minus 20, y as minus 40, xy is minus 20 into minus 40 upon 100. This will be 800 upon 100. Minus 20 minus 40 is minus 60. This cancels. We are left with 8. Minus 60 plus 8 will be minus 52. This minus shows that there is a decrease in percentage and 52 will be our correct answer. We can do in another way also. Let us suppose area is 100, so 100 into, now as the length is decreased by 20%, so we will be subtracting by 100 minus 20, that is 80 upon 100, into breadth is decreased by 40%, so 100 minus 40, that is 60 upon 100. We will be solving it. This will be 48. This means that area is decreased from 100 to 48. Plus, but be careful, do not mark 48. The area has been decreased from 100 to 48, but the decrease is 100 minus 48 is decreased, that is 52 will be our answer. I hope you understood. If you are having any doubt, you can comment. Now let us move to the next question. If the length of rectangle is increased by 50% and width is decreased by 50%, how does the area of rectangle change? Option A, decreases by 12.5%, decreases by 25%, increases by 25%, or stays same. Take some time, solve it, and write your answer in the comment section. Now if the length of rectangle is increased by 50% and width is decreased by 50%, how does the area of rectangle changes? Now be careful, do not mark stay the same. Most of the student marks staying the same because they have given increased by 50% and decreased by 50%. So let us do it by the same formula, x plus y plus xy upon 100. So x will be the length is increased to 50, y as width is decreased by 50, so minus 50. Substituting here, 50 minus 50 plus 50 into minus 50 upon 100. This cancels, this also cancels, we are left with minus 25. This minus shows that there is a decrease and 25 is the decrease percentage. So B answer, decreases by 25% will be our answer, B part. Now let's come to the next question. The result of increasing the quantity x by 400% is 60. What is the value of x? Option A 12, option B 15, option C 240, option D 340. The result of increasing a quantity x by 400% is 60. We have to find the value of x. Try this question and write your answer in the comment section. Now the result of increasing a quantity x by 400% is 60. What is the value of x? Hope you have solved. Now let us increase the result of increasing the quantity. Let us increase the quantity by 400%. So the quantity is x. 400% of x will be 400 into x upon 100. That is 4x. Now we have increased by 400. So x plus 4x which will be equal to 60. 5x is equal to 60. X will be 60 upon 5. So x will be 12. So 12, option A will be our answer. Now let me explain once. We have to find the result of increasing the quantity x by 400% is 60. What is the value of x? So we have find the 400% of x, which is 4x. Now we will increasing the quantity x by 4x. So x plus 4x is equal to 60. 5x will be equal to 60. X will be 60 upon 5. So x will be 12. 12 will be our answer. I hope you understood this question. Now let us move on to the next question. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 20% and the denominator is decreased by 5%, the value, we have to find the value if the new fraction becomes 5 by 2, the original fraction is. If the numerator of a fraction is increased by 20% and the denominator is decreased by 5%, the value of new fraction, the value of the new fraction becomes 5 by 2, the original fraction is. We have to find the original fraction. Solve this and write your answer in the comment section. Now, if the numerator of a fraction is increased by 20% and the denominator is decreased by 5%, find the value when the value of the new fraction becomes 5 by 2. Find the original fraction. Now let us suppose the original fraction is a by b. A is the numerator and b is the denominator. Now a by b. Now numerator is increased by 20%, so we will multiply by 120. And b, the denominator is decreased by 5%, so we will be multiplied by 95. This I am getting by 100 plus 20 is 120, 100 minus 5 is 95. Now this fraction becomes 5 by 2. Now we have to find the fraction. A by b will be equal to 5 by 2 into 95 upon 120. Now we will be solving this. So A by B will be 95 upon 48 will be our answer. Option C will be our answer. I hope you understood this question. Let us suppose the original fraction is A by B. Numerator is increased by 20%, so we have multiplied by 120. Denominator is decreased by 5%, so we have subtracted by 100 minus 5 is 95. Hope you understood from where 120 by 95 is coming. Now the fraction becomes a 5 by 2. So A by B will be 5 into 95 upon 2 into 120. This cancels. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 24. 95 upon 48 will be our answer. Option C. Now moving to the next question. In how much time will the sum of money becomes double of itself at 15 per annum simple interest? We have to find in how much time the sum of money becomes double of itself at 15% per annum simple interest. Option A, 6 1 by 4 years, 6 1 by 2 years, 6 1 by 3 years, or 6 2 by 3 years. Now, kindly try to solve this question and write your answer in the comment section. Here we will be applying the formula of simple interest. Now, Pranav, your answer should be 95 upon 48. So that is correct answer. Now GM Roshan 25 is writing, can you try solving past paper? Which past paper are you talking about? GM Roshan 25. Has anybody solved this question? I can give you a hint. Simple interest formula is principal P into R, rate of interest into time upon 100. Simple interest. Pranav, then what is your answer? One more hint, let principal is 100, so amount will be 200. As we have to find the time in which the sum doubles itself. So we have invested the principal 100, so return will be 200, that is double. Now we have to find the time if rate of interest is 15% per annum. Now in order to apply, use these things in this formula, simple interest is amount minus principal, that is 200 minus 100. 100 will be our simple interest. Now this is very simple. Now you substitute all the values here, you can find the time. Now the simple interest is 100, principal is 100, rate of interest is 15, time we have to find upon 100. Now this cancels, we get time is equal to 100 upon 15. That is 20 upon 3, which is equal to 62 by 3 years. So D option is the correct option. Pranav Kumar, your answer is correct. D is correct answer. Now the question is not so dangerous. Let me repeat, in how much time the sum of money doubles itself at 15% per annum. Simple interest is principal into rate of interest into time upon 100. We have suppose the principal is 100. Now it's double itself, so amount is 200. We have to find the time and rate of interest is 15. Now principal minus amount is simple interest. We have substituted all the values in this formula. Simple interest is 100, principal is 100, rate of interest is 15, and T we have to find. We get the T is 100 upon 15, so 20 upon 3. So we get 2 by 3 as our answer. Now next question. If A is 40% of B, what percentage of A is B? If A is 40% of B, what percentage of A is B? 80%, 125%, 200%, or 250%? Solve it and write your answer in the comment section. Pranav, your answer is correct, 250. Now, if A is 40% of B, that means if we can write A is 40% of B. So A becomes 2 upon 5 of B. Now, what percentage of A is B? We have to find what percentage of A is B. So we have to find B. B will be 5 upon 2A, but we have to find it into the percentage. So 5 upon 2 into 100. This cancels. We are left with 250%. Option D will be our answer. If A is 40% of B, what percentage of A is B? So A is 40 upon 100 B. A value will be 2 upon 5 B. But we have to find what percentage of A is B. So we have to make the subject B. B is 5 by 2 of A. But we have to find in percentage. So we multiply by 100. This cancels. 250% will be our answer. This is a very interesting question. Moving to the next question. What is 20% of 20% of 20? Comment your answer. This is very easy question. What is 20% of 20% of 20? Now, what is 20% of 20% of 20? No, 2% is not in the option only. Pranav, your answer is 0.8. That is correct. We have to find 20% is 20 upon 100. Off means multiply. Again 20%, 20 upon 100. Off means multiply upon into 20. Now this 0 cancels. We are left with 2 into 2, 4, 4 to 8. 8 upon 10, that is 0.8. Option B will be our correct answer. What is 20% of 20% of 20? We have to multiply 20 upon 100 into 20 upon 100 into 20. Now this cancels. We are left with 8 upon that. That is 0.8 will be our answer. Hope you understood this question. Now come. Now next question. If 20% of a number is 8, what is 25% of that number? If 20% of a number is 8, what is 25% of that number? Option A 2, option B 10, option C 12, option D 14. आयुषी डोंट टू वरी, आरआरबी की तैयारी कर रही हूँ बट आज से। नॉट टू वरी डियर, you try to do this question. If 20% of a number is 8, what is 25% of that number? You suppose that number to x. Now if 20% of a number is 8, what is 25% of that number? Pranav, you have not given any answer. Now let us suppose the number is x. Now 20% of x is given to be 8. That is 20 into 100. 20 upon 100. X is equal to 8. So x will be equal to 800 upon 20. What is 20% of that number? We have to find the 25% of x. That will be 25 upon 100 into 800 upon 20. You can solve it here also, but I will be doing the calculation once only. So x will be 10. So 10 is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If 20% of a number is 8, what is 25% of a number? So I have supposed the number is x. 20% of x, 20 upon 100, x is equal to 8. So x will be 800 upon 20. You can solve this here also, but I have solved it once only. So we have to find the 20%, 25% of that number. So 25% of x will be 25 upon 100 into 800 upon 20. After solving this, we will get our value as x is equal to 10. Hope you understood this question. Let's move to the next question. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 100. We have to find this sum. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 up to 100. Its value is option A 1000, option B 1010, option C 5000, option D 5050. Now try to solve this question and write your answer in the comment section. Now what is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 100? Now here we know that the sum of n natural numbers, if we have a sequence as 1 plus 2 plus up to n, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So here the n value is 100. So 100 plus 1 by 2. That is 50 into 101. 5050 will be our answer. So option D is our answer. We know that the sum of n natural number is given by the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Now here the value of n is 100. So 100 into 100 plus 1 by 2. 100 cancels with 2, that is 50. 100 plus 1 is 101. So while after multiplying we get our answer as 5050. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. Which number is larger, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33? We have to find which of the following is larger, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33. Option is 5 power 22, option B is 3 power 33, and option C we cannot find. Pranav, you don't know the formula, you can remember that formula. You can note it down. Because if the value of n is 1000, how can you be doing by your another concept? What are you talking about? You know that formula, and now do this question. We have to find which number is larger. Now which number is larger, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33? Now 5 power 22 can be written as 5 power 2 into 11 and 3 power 30 can be written as 3 into 11. This can be further written by 5 power 2 whole power 11 and 3 power 3 whole power 11. This is 25 power 11. This is 3 3 the 9 is 27 power 11. Now clearly this number is greater. So 3 power 33 will be the larger number. I hope you understood this question. We have to find which number is larger, 5 power 22 or 3 power 33. We can write 5 power 22 as 5 power 2 into 11. Further, it can be written as 5 power 2 whole power 11, which is 25 power 11. Similarly, 3 power 33 can be written as 3 power 3 into 11. Further, it can be written as 3 power 3 whole power 11, which is 27 power 11. Now, as the power is same, here is 25, this is 27. Clearly, 27 is greater. So, 3 power 33 will be the correct answer. Now, moving up. Now, moving to the next question. This question in the similar way we have to solve. Which number is larger? 3 power 75 or 2 power 100? We have to find which number is larger, 3 power 75 or 2 power 100. Now try to solve this question and write your answer in the comment section. I hope you have solved this question. Which number is larger? Pranav, what is your answer? Rahul Singh is giving option B. Sakshi is given A. Nicholas Goodwill. Give your answer. What option you are choosing? Is it 3 power 75 or 2 power 100? Option A, Rahul Singh, option A. Pranav, you are writing 3 power 75, option A. Now let us solve this question. Which number is larger, 3 power 75 or 2 power 100? Now 3 power 75 can be written as 3 power 3 whole power 25 and 2 power 100 can be written as 2 power 4 whole power 100. Now 3 power 3 is 27 power 25 and 2 power 4 will be 16 power 25. Now as the power is same, so which number will be larger? Now clearly this is larger. Now what option you are writing? Clearly 27 power 25 will be larger, so 3 power 75 will be our answer. Option A is the correct answer. Now next question, solve for x. 8 power x plus 2 is equal to 16 power x plus 1. We have to find the value of x. Option A 1, option 2 B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Now what is the value of x? Now solve for x. 8 power x plus 2 is equal to 16 power x plus 1. What is the value of x? Pranav Kumar is writing x is equal to 2. Lohit A option. Has anybody else has solved this question? Try to solve this question. Now we have to make the bases same. Now try to write how you can write 8 or 16 to the same base. Now 8 power x plus 2. Now 8 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x plus 2. 16 can be written as 2 power 4 whole power x plus 1. Now this can be further written as 2 power 3x plus 6 is equal to 2 power 4x plus 4. Now as the base is same, so exponent will be same. 3x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 4. 3x minus 4x is equal to 4 minus x. Minus x is minus 2, so x value is 2. Option B is correct. Hope you understood. 8 power x plus 2 can be written as 2 power 3 whole power x plus 2, which is equal to 16 can be written as 2 power 4 whole power x plus 1. Now 2 power 3 power x plus 2 can be written as 2 power 3x. This 3 multiplied with x and 2 also. 2 power 3x plus 6 equal to 2 power 4x plus 4. Now as the base is same, so exponent will be same. So 3x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 4. 3x minus 4x is equal to 4 minus 6. X is equal to 2 will be our answer. Hope you understood this question. Now next question, moving to the next question. What is the value of x? What is the value of x if x power x is equal to 2 power 2048? Option A 0, option B 40, option 3 128, option D 246. Yes, Pranav, you're doing well. Try this question now. What will be the value of x if x power x is equal to 2 power 2048? Option A 0, option B 40, option C 128, option D 256. This is a very important question. What is the value of x if x power x is equal to 2 power 2048? Pravan Pranav is guessing answer C. I can give you a hint. You can split this term. 2 power 2048. 204 is multiple of 2. Try this question. This is the last question of the today live. Hope you find this live useful. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow will be class at 11 a.m. morning. Now what is the value of x if x power x is equal to 2 power 2048? Now 2 power 2048 can be written as 2 power 2 1024. 2048 can be written as 2 into 1024. Now 2 power 2 is 4. So further it can be written as 4 power 1024. Now again 1024 can be written as 2 into 512. Further 4 power 2 can be written as 16. 16 power 512. This can be written as 512 can be written as 2 into 256. Now 16 power 2 is 256. We get 256 power 256. X power x. Now clearly x is 256. Option D will be our answer. How C is your answer? Option D 256 is the answer. Now what is the value of x? X power x is equal to 2 power 2048. 2048 can be written as 2 power 2 into 1024. 2 power 2 is 4 power 1024. 1024 again can be written as 2 into 512. Now 4 power 2 is 16. It becomes 16 power 512. 512 can be written as 2 power 256. 16 power 2 is 256 power 256. That implies x is equal to 256 will be our answer. I hope you find this class useful. Please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Tomorrow class will be at 11 a.m. We'll meet at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Now there will be one question for the homework. I will be giving one more question for the homework that we will be doing tomorrow. Now this question is for homework. What is the unit digit of 4 power 4454? 0, 2, 4 or 6? What is the unit digit of 4 power 454? Options are A 0, B 2, C 4 and D 6. If you want some other topic to be revised in this class, you can comment down. Pranav is saying, sir, I'm not free in 11 a.m. It is not in 11 a.m., it's at 11 a.m. Tomorrow class will be at 11 a.m. Thank you and bye bye. So with this note, we end our class. Thank you.